The Eggshell Thickness Gauge, by ORKA Food Technology. Turn on the gauge. Prepare the egg. Apply a small amount of gel to the surface of the egg. And place the egg onto the cradle. And you will see the reading on the screen. To ensure precise and accurate measurements, check that all 6 bars at the left upper corner are highlighted on the screen. This indicates optimal contact between the egg and the probe. If the bars are not visible, the contact is poor and the reading will be incorrect. If no reading appears, gently press the probe down and release it to improve the contact between the egg and the probe. That way you can see the correct reading. Apply gel to the tip of the eggshell thickness gauge. If you aren't getting a reading from the stand to the gauge, you'll need to refresh the gel inside the probe. Push the probe up, unscrew the small tip, and take it out. Do not use any tools, just use your fingers. Apply a small amount of gel inside the tip, then screw it back on carefully. Do not apply too much force, or you might break the tip. Screw it back tightly into place, and your readings should improve immediately. For handling the data and creating a grid, refer to page 30 of our operator's manual. For downloading data to a PC and working with software, refer to page 68 of our operator's manual.